So, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is here, and as you can see, I have all the different colors in the background. We have the purple, the white, and the green. What I'm holding right now is a black colored variant. So, what are the things that you can expect in the Galaxy Z Flip 5? One thing that I immediately noticed when I got my hands on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is just how much slimmer it seemed to be, and it also seems to be much lighter compared to the previous generation, which is the Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm a huge fan of this form factor, primarily because of its portability. And with the Flip 5, now it's so much more compact. Samsung's engineers managed to minimize the gap between the two sections, and as you can see, it's almost seamless, and there's almost no space in between the hinge. The build quality on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is also very, very good. It's really one of the best finishes that we've seen on a foldable device. So on the cover screen, you have a 3.4-inch display. It's protected by Gorilla Glass, and the same goes for the other side. So you have this very nice, almost mirror-like finish. And because it uses Gorilla Glass, you can more or less be assured, or you have that peace of mind that it's not just going to break when it falls to the floor or when you put it in your pocket like this. This is probably where the phone is going to be most of the time when you're traveling. So aside from that, the edges have this very, very nice and smooth aluminum finish. And I'm hoping that it is gonna last. It's not just gonna scratch easily. It worries me a bit that you might get some scratches on it if it falls on the pavement, but otherwise it is a very, very nice finish. It gives this a very, very premium and very aspirational look and feel. Now moving inside onto the foldable display, I can't say that I immediately noticed a difference between this and the Flip 4. It seems to be more or less the same or similar display panel. Brightness is still very good. Again, this is a very, very early first impression, and I don't really have the specs with me right now, so who knows, they might have improved on the brightness. That would always be a welcome improvement to the Flip series. But the star of the show is really this cover screen display right here. It's 3.4 inches, and Samsung has really worked to improve the usability of this cover screen. So not only does it show information, you can also interact. So as you can see, there's actually a mini keyboard right here, and you can use that to type messages, to create quick responses without having to open your phone. And I think that's very, very interesting, and that's just a natural, next step. See, there's even Netflix and YouTube. Fortunately, we're not allowed to connect to the internet. Otherwise, I would try to demonstrate that to you. But it seems to work as far as I can see right now. You can launch the app, so it has to work with the cover screen display, and they've also added a lot of other useful widgets. Over here you have the step counter, which is something that you will be able to take advantage of if you are a Galaxy Wear user or you use the Galaxy Watch with your smartphone. So that just sort of gives you an example of how much the Flip has evolved through the years. And once again, this is now Flip 5. This is the 5th generation of this form factor from Samsung. Just wanted to end this video by showcasing what you can do with the camera. So you basically launch the camera right here. You have a 12 megapixel main sensor, and you also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. And basically you can use that to take the best possible photos from your phone. So for example, if you wanted to take a selfie, you can just simply launch it from the cover screen, and then you'll take a selfie like this, use gestures to trigger the camera, and it'll take photos automatically. You can also take videos with the cover screen. You can take horizontal videos, you can take vertical videos, and you can trigger it just the same way you'll take photos simply by showing your palm. So that's what you're gonna do if you're gonna be taking photos and videos of yourself. Now, if you are gonna be the cameraman and you're gonna be taking photos and videos of other people, then you may wanna enable cover screen preview. Now, you're gonna do that simply by opening the screen. Then immediately after launching the camera, you should see an icon over at the top right edge of the camera app. And if you tap on that, it will enable cover screen preview. So let's say you're taking a photo or a video of your partner, then you simply enable that cover screen so that the person on the other end can see himself or herself while you're taking a shot. And you can also do that while your phone is on a tripod or on a selfie stick, so that you can take the best quality images and videos with the main sensor. So if you want to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5, just head over to the official website. This phone will be launching on July 26th. And in the meantime, if you have any questions or if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. We love to hear from you guys. Subscribe for more of these videos, and we'll be seeing you guys next time. Paalam.